How would you like to double, triple, or even quadruple your traffic for free? Are you an affiliate for ClickFunnels? If so, you'll definitely want to watch this video. And if you're not an affiliate for ClickFunnels, you'll want to watch this even more. Now today, I'll be demoing a bridge page affiliate funnel for the Traffic Secrets book, the third book in Russell Brunson's trilogy of books about online marketing. What is this book, you might be saying? Well, if you haven't heard of the book, you may have been living under a rock. This book holds 20 virtually unknown secrets to getting more traffic of your dream customers to your websites and funnels with their credit cards in hand, ready to buy from you. He gives the book away for free. You just pay a small shipping charge. And if you're an affiliate for ClickFunnels, you also have an opportunity to make a commission anytime someone buys the book after they've clicked your link. Now you can see from the affiliate page all the different commission dollar amounts that you can make from just recommending the book. I'm an affiliate for ClickFunnels, and today I'm going to show you an affiliate funnel that I created for the Traffic Secrets book. I'll explain to you what an affiliate funnel is, and then I'll break down the creation of the funnel, starting with how I drive traffic to the funnel for free that actually works and gets me sales, how I design the page and where I get the ingredients needed to build the page, and how you can get them too, all the way to my follow-up that gets sales on autopilot on the back end. You'll want to watch all the way till the end because there will be a surprise that you don't want to miss. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like and subscribe to continue receiving great reviews. Now, what is an affiliate funnel and why is it important? The actual name is a bridge page funnel. So why is it called a bridge page? Because it bridges the gap between your customer and the product that they want. Why would you want to bridge the gap? Well, the same reason you wouldn't bring a friend to someone else's party and just drop them off without introducing them to the guests. That's rude, and that person would have no fun at the party. No, the best way to ensure a smooth transaction and make sure they make a purchase is by introducing yourself and your relationship to the product. And you want to know what's really cool? This also gives you the chance to sweeten the deal before sending them to the page to purchase the product. Your goal on the bridge page is to make the offer so irresistible that your customer can't refuse, and they'll rip open their wallet because they just have to have it right now. Now, we'll send people directly to this page from several sources, sweeten the deal, and then on to the next page where they can make the purchase. We'll also collect an email address for 3 reasons: to make sure there was no problem making the purchase, to send them the bonuses once their purchase is confirmed, and to follow up with any non-buyers to get sales on the back end. Now let's start with the traffic sources. I can hear someone saying, "Mark, that's great. I like the funnel and all that, but how do I get people to click on my link to go to the page so I can make some money?" And that's a great question. I'm glad you asked. And the answer to that is people aren't going to randomly click on your link and make a purchase. People need to have a reason to click on your link and make a purchase. What did you say? I said people need a reason to click on your link. Well, how do I give them a reason? That's a great question. And in this video, I'm going to show you 5 different free things that you can do to get people to click your link. Go to this bridge page and actually make a purchase. There are many other examples I could show, but I'll just show 5 for this video. Pay attention because I'm going to go through this pretty quickly. Now, 5 things you can do to drive free traffic. First thing is a blog. You can write a blog post review of some of your biggest takeaways from the book and include links back to the affiliate funnel to order the book. YouTube. Record a how-to video explaining something you learned from the book and include links to the affiliate funnel in the description. Email. Promote the book in a message to any current email subscribers that you have. A report. If you've published a report, a guide, a white paper, an ebook, even recipes and workout plans, but you can include links to the funnel as an additional resource that's complementary to whatever the subject of your report is. social media. Now you can share a helpful story about the book and end the status update with a call to action to click the link for more information. That link will lead to the funnel. Now I can hear someone now saying, well, what if they don't click on my link, but they open up another window and purchase it anyway? I won't get a commission. Unfortunately, that's true. That can and does happen. My philosophy is that there are things I can control. There are things I can't control. I can't control someone else using the link to make a purchase. What I can control is that I provide as much valuable and accurate information as possible to help them, and hope they would use my link to make a purchase as a form of appreciation. You know, I always think about waiters and waitresses at your favorite restaurant. How many times do they provide top-notch, stellar service only to be stiffed by the jerk that leaves the table without leaving a tip? And I agree, it's absolutely not fair when someone chooses not to use your affiliate link. My advice is to love the process more and provide good advice as being your goal rather than recognition, and you'll ensure far more success for the future. If you focus on not getting the commission, you can get frustrated. Okay, let's move on. Now, let's look at building the page. Now, using ClickFunnels, we need 4 ingredients to build this page. We need a template. We need our creative assets. We need our bonuses that will sweeten the deal. Then we need the words on the page. And that's it. Now, when you're either a member of my private Facebook group or my upgraded membership area, I have hundreds of templates for you to choose from. I've selected this template from my collection of 10 pre-designed affiliate funnel templates. Next, we need videos and images. Now, one super great thing about many affiliate programs is that they'll provide you with a lot of creatives to use. The Traffic Secrets promotion provides you a ton of creative images, videos, and even email copy. I've gone through here and chosen some images and videos and a testimonial video to use. Since the Traffic Secrets book is all about 20 virtually unknown ways to drive traffic to your websites and funnels, I wanted to add bonuses that would be complementary. I took advantage of a few other downloadable resources that ClickFunnels has available and paired those with access to my entry-level membership area and an additional video training I've made in the past about 20 sources of traffic to your funnels, not Facebook or Google. Of course, I went to my sales funnel copywriting blueprint to find out the copy I needed for the page. I see here that the scripts that I need for the page to get it done, and I went straight to Funnel Scripts where I filled out a few pieces of information and instantly have a few hundred examples to choose from. Here's one of the best things I like about this software. Every time I hit this button, it rewrites it for you, and you just keep hitting it until it says exactly what you want. Now, Funnel Scripts literally makes writing all of your copy ridiculously easy. The only way it would be any easier is if Jim Edwards himself came to my house, physically sat down with me, and wrote the copy for me. And this is just one of more than 60 example scripts that Funnel Scripts spit out for me. Now, then I plugged in the copy in all the right places. In your funnel building journey, you'll find that the problem is not coming up with your products. You'll have plenty of products to sell. What delay you is that you can't come up with the ads and the right words to say that will sell your product. I'll leave some links in the description somewhere for a few tools you can use to make this difficult part of your funnel building a breeze. Now, I plugged in my affiliate links in all the right places, set up my email list and autoresponder, and voila, the finished product. The entire project took me about a day to complete while working on a few other big projects at the same time. Now, I wouldn't be finished if I didn't have a surprise for you, right? Now, this is a top-notch funnel, but it still takes a little bit of time to build. How'd you like for me to give you this funnel? Already done for you. If you like me, I always like taking something completely done instead of me having to do the work. Well, are you ready for an irresistible offer that you can only get right here and right now? Well, when you go to this exact funnel by clicking on the link somewhere in this description, on the report, in the blog, in the email, learning units, or somewhere above or below this video, there you'll find the offer to get your free copy of the book Traffic Secrets. along with the bonuses: the Traffic Secrets audiobook supplement, the audio version of Chapter 1 of Traffic Secrets, the video 20 sources of traffic to your sales funnel or website that do not go by the name of Facebook or Google, the .com Secrets audiobook supplement, and the lifetime membership to the Mental Marketer Blueprint membership area. Plus, as an additional special offer, only available when you upgrade to either the One Funnel Away Challenge or when you purchase the Secrets Trilogy upsell, you'll get access to the upgraded Solopreneur Starter Kit membership area, where you'll find, are you ready for this? Everything above, plus this exact same funnel that you can use to promote the Traffic Secrets book and make commission payments. You'll just make sure to sign up as an affiliate, download this funnel into your ClickFunnels account, switch out with your affiliate links, and then start running free traffic and watch the affiliate commissions roll in. If you don't have a ClickFunnels account, when you download the funnel, you'll start a 14-day risk-free trial. Once you start a free trial, you can apply to become an affiliate. Now you'll have the exact same affiliate funnel that I'm using for this video, plus 3 bonuses that you can use when you promote the book yourself. But I'll also give you a copy of the 20 sources of traffic video that you can model, including the slides, the script, and the handout PDF. This will give you 4 bonus items to include, and it means you'll have everything you need to put together your very own affiliate funnel, complete with bonuses. But wait, I'll also give you all the additional scripts that were generated by Funnel Scripts for this funnel, and 14 Traffic Secrets follow-up promotional emails just ready to copy, paste, and just modify for your specific offer. You can download the PDF, and if you have ClickFunnels, there's an option for you to download the emails directly into your account with the click of a button. Now, the promotional emails are some of the exact emails I received, and they are proven to convert. They can actually be modified to promote any book. Now, all of this is available in the upgraded membership area, the Solopreneur Starter Kit, and inside of that members area, you'll find more than 300 pre-designed sales funnel templates, more than 800 headlines, copies, and titles, hundreds of ad templates and examples, email marketing masterclass, free webinar courses, free content marketing certification, additional tools, resources, and tons more added constantly. Now, if you're watching on YouTube, you can check the description below for the link. If you're watching on Facebook, either check the comments below or in the learning units. And if you're watching in the Facebook group, and you know, I wasn't going to do this, but I'll even throw in this video, the Affiliate Funnel Secrets video. I'll throw in the video, the script, and the PowerPoint slides for this video. What the heck? If that doesn't make this a completely irresistible offer, then I don't know what will. What was that? You're still on the fence? Okay, but this is the absolute last bonus item. You want more traffic? I get it. In Traffic Secrets, Russell talks about the Dream 100. In the book, he says, you shouldn't be asking how to get people to click your links to go to your websites. Instead, you should be asking, where are my dream customers congregating? When you know where your dream customers are congregating, it makes it easy to throw out your links and get them to click on them. It's like catching fish in a barrel. Well, for this offer, you'll need to get your links in front of a lot of affiliate marketers to get more clicks to your links. And if you're looking for affiliate marketers, what better place to find them than in Facebook groups? Well, if you're looking for the right groups, you don't have to worry. I've done the work for you. I searched through thousands of Facebook groups to find this list of the Dream 100 affiliate marketing Facebook groups that have a combined audience of, are you ready for this? Over 8 million affiliate marketers. They're the obvious groups, but then the virtually unknown groups that are filled with people that love opportunity. Just look at some of these numbers. If you join these groups and participate, you can get your links in front of more than 8 million affiliate marketers that are chomping at the bit to take advantage of your offers. If you got your affiliate link in front of 8 million people, do you think you'd get at least a few hundred sales? Well, what are you waiting for? Go get your free copy of the Traffic Secrets book, upgrade to the trilogy set with the audio version, and use these bonus resources to become a super affiliate. Now get it today while this offer lasts. Click the link either above or below this video and get your free copy of the Traffic Secrets book and upgrade to... I know you're enjoying the video, but I gotta tell you something. What if I told you that every morning you could be in an environment with thousands of other like-minded entrepreneurs? Yeah, other entrepreneurs just like you building an online business. Would you agree that it's important to be in an environment with other high-performing, knowledgeable, dedicated, and positive-minded entrepreneurs? Yeah, it's inspiring. Do you think you'd come away with golden nuggets of advice, tips, tricks, strategies that you can use to grow your own business? Learning and growing and building your business together in a community. Well, that's what we do every day, Monday through Friday, and sometimes on the weekends in the private Facebook group, Funnel Building 101. We have amazing people, amazing stories. We have amazing information, and arguably the largest collection of training resources you'll find in any private Facebook group. Demo videos, how-to videos, and all the tutorials you need to start and grow your business online. Plus, we're having conversations, real conversations around topics that matter most to you. So even this video you're watching right now, I want to hear what you have to say. So let's talk about it and throw some ideas back and forth. Because we're like-minded and we're going in the same direction, when we connect in a community, we can connect on other stuff outside of the community because we're building real relationships. None of this fake commenting and liking posts just for engagement like you see on Facebook. I'm talking real relationships. REAL relationships. Now the only thing we're missing is you. So check out the Facebook group Funnel Building 101. That's Funnel Building 101. It's free to join. A link will be somewhere around this video, or you can text Funnel Building 101 to 678-506-7543. That's Funnel Building 101 to 678-506-7543. Either way works. I don't care how you join, but I can't wait to see you in there. Thank you so much. Now back to the video.